What's up, Custom Grains fans? On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this. First, import the file into Lightburn, and then hit play. The materials that you'll need is some sort of 3mm plywood. Here I'm just using birch plywood, along with some sort of wood backer. Right here I'm using Rockin' Wood's reclaimed wood. What's awesome about this company is that they save this wood from going into landfills. So huge shout out to them. I am cutting the wood planks at about 15 inches here. And to connect the backer pieces together, I'm going to use their 4-inch reclaimed wood piece. Cut it down to 1.25 inches wide, and then I'll cut the 1.25 inch wide strip into 12-inch sections. Now here are the 14-inch strips. I want to use the darker side as the face side on this build, and I'm also using Type-On 3 along with 3/4 inch pin nails in my Milwaukee pin nailer. Squirt the glue, just make sure that you don't go in between the seams so then the glue's not visible from the show side. Now I'm using the pin nailer and aiming it, at a 45-degree angle here, just to make sure that the wood glue and nails definitely make this backer board strong. Laser project is all done. If anyone's wondering, I'm using my 60-watt Monport laser, 20-inch by 28-inch bed. And here comes the fun part: a ton of glue, or CA glue. I didn't want to put pin nails through it because then you could possibly see the pin nail head. So I went this route. A little bit more time consuming, but overall makes the end product look a lot better. And here's the end product. Thanks for watching, consider unsubscribing, and have a wonderful day.